Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing question number 6A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form, and we also provide the online classes. If you need this, you can contact us, and you have to just message on our WhatsApp number, so you can contact by call also. And here question number 6A: goods may be purchased either by inspecting them personally or on the basis of a sample or pattern examine or on the basis of description or brand name. Mention the methods of sale include sale on hire purchase basis. So this question is taken from the lesson 12, and you have to just prepare only one project out of two topics, and we have to prepare all the answers accordingly with the in the sense of word limits or the according to chapter wise. And for this, you can contact us, and we provide all the answers immediately. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.